Alrighty. How many liters of water can be stored in a rectangular tank measuring 1.5 meters by 70 by 50? Right. What do I change to 1.5 into? 150 centimeters. And then volume equals length by width by height, which is 150 by 50. And what you get? What you say? Yeah, I was thinking it was quite large. 525,000 centimeters cubed. How many liters is that? Divided by 1,000, and you get 525 liters. Everybody cool with that? Alright. Question 6. Open rectangular tank on top is full of water. The volume of water in the tank is 2.4 liters, which is 2,400 centimeters cubed. If the length is 50 and the breadth is 15, find its height. Alright, no bother. So, length by width by height, which is going to be 20 by 15 by h. What's that? 300h equals 2,400. So what's h? 8. Alright. How many sides are there? Out of interest. Oh, jeez. Here, I'll draw this for you now. Alright. How many sides are there? Alright, let's start off with the bottom side. 20 by 15 is what? 300. There's only one of those sides, isn't there? What about the second side? That's 8 by 15. What's 8 by 15? 120. How many 120 sides are there? There's 2 of them, isn't there? Okay. Now what about the front and back? What about the green side here? That's going to be 8 by 20, which is 160. How many of them is there? 2. And when we add that all up together, you got 800 centimeters squared. Area is centimeters squared. Volume is centimeters cubed. Any questions? Drive on. Did I give you 7? Yeah. Alright. This question isn't always obvious. As in, you know when you pack a box? What happens if the rectangles don't go in evenly? So I'll give you an example. Hopefully this works. Control D, 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 D. Alright. What happens if they don't fit in equally? Do you get what I'm saying? What happens if there's spare space where you can't fit them in? This better not going equally. Yeah, perfect. Will it go in equally? No. So some people sometimes make the wrong idea. They do volume of box divided by volume of small box, if you get what I'm saying. Now you can do that, but it's not guaranteed, is it? Is it guaranteed that you're able to use every space in the big box to house the small boxes? It's not guaranteed. So here's how you test it. First of all, let's get the volume of the big box. What's the volume of the big box? 96 by 36 by, and what you get? That? Is that what you got? Alright. Alright. What about the small ones? What size are the small cartons? 12 by 4 by 4 is 192. Everybody cool with that? Now, the volume of the big box divided by the volume of the small box, even if it goes in equally, it's no guarantee that it fits in perfectly. So what happens when we do that then? How many how many small boxes can fit into the big box? 576. Now let me show you another way of thinking about it. Here's what I say. Alright? Let's have a look at the sizes. Okay, and match them up. What we'll do is we'll match up some sizes together. Did everybody say the answer was 576? Everybody cool with that? Now here's the way I do them sometimes. Alright. Here's a cool way of doing it as well. This 12, what will 12 divide into on the other side? Yeah, we can do or the 36, whichever one you want. What will 4 divide into? 36, and the other 4 will divide into 32. Are you agree with that? 96 divided by 12 is what? 8. This means you can stack 8 of them in a certain direction. Does that make sense? What's 4 into 36? What? 9. It means you can stack 9 of them in the other direction, yeah? And then up high, what's 32 divided by 4? And guess what? 9. Guess what? 8 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 is 576. And you also know they go in evenly, don't they? They go in evenly, so that's how you know that's for certain then. So that's 2 different ways of doing the same question. I've seen occasions where this one doesn't work. But I've never seen an occasion where my second method hasn't worked. Make sense? Alright. Surface area of a cube. Okay, what's that mean? Surface area of a cube. Come on, lads. So how many parts of a cube is there? How many surfaces is there? 6. What's the area of each individual side? Call it x. So this will be x, and that one will be x. Divide that by 6. What's the size of each side? Alright, and we're back. So, would everybody agree each side is 4? How do I know each side is 4? So, what's the area in terms of x? X by x will be? X squared equals 4. You all know the answer is 2 then, don't you? It's 2 by 2. Calculate its volume. How do you get volume of a cube? Length by width by height, which will be 2 by 2 by 2 because it's a cube, which is 8 centimeters. Right, let's move on. Okay. Yeah, I think you guys should be okay here with this one. Alright, let's try it out. Alright. So, we have this. I'm a visual learner, so I always have to draw myself diagrams, unfortunately. Alright, now what's next? Call this one, call the height 5 and the width 6. Ever cool with that? What do we call this length here then? Call it L or X, whichever one you want. I suppose let's call it X. X is a nice number. Now, how many sides does it have? How many sides does it have? 6. Can anybody tell me the area of the front and back sides? Nope. 5x. 5x for the front and 5x for the back. Alright, rub that out. Can anybody tell me the left and the right hand side? What's the area of those two? 6 by 5, which is 30s. Okay. Can anybody now tell me what is the area of the top and the bottom? Nope. 6 and x, so it'll be 6x and 6x. Add them all up together, and how many x's do we have? 10x, 22x will do you, will it? 30 plus 30. And what's the surface area? 258. 22x equals 198. X equals 9. What does it want from me after that then? The volume. How do you get the volume then, lads? 9 by 6 by 9 by 6 by 5, and that will get me 270 centimeters cubed. I'm going to pause it there for a minute. So, volume is length by width by height. 12 times 5 times h equals 90. 60h equals 90. H equals 90 divided by 60. Everybody get h value of 1.5? Yeah. Alrighty. Total surface area. God damn. Now, there's one. Okay. Where's the other one? I'll do it this way for once. Wait, that's wrong. Yeah, it is. Alright, there's your rectangle. Not drawn the scale, of course, but it's there. Now, the height is 1.5. The length is 12. The width is 5. So, we have the, let's start off with the front and the back. What's the size of the front and the back? What is it? 5 times 1.5, which is, but there's two of them, isn't there? So it's two 7.5s. Okay. Let's start off with let's do the left and the right now. The left and the right hand side. So lefty and righty. So what do you think about lefty and righty? 12 times, which is 18, so 2 18s. Is it 5 or 6 sides? 6, right? Now we're going to do top and bottom. What do we have here? 5 times 12, which is 60. Yeah, what's up? What? 12 times 1.5. Sorry, 1.5, sorry. 2 60s. Add them all up together, and what you get? Sorry, didn't quite hear it. 170. 171 centimeters squared. Who got that? Awesome. Each centimeter cubed of the metal has a mass of 8.4 grams. Total mass is the number of these metal blocks. How many blocks are there? Ooh, that's an interesting question. Alright. How much weight is there in one of our blocks? How many centimeters cubed for one block again? Would everybody agree with 90 centimeters cubed for one block? It says in the description of the question, right? 90. So what's the mass of one block then? 90 multiplied by 8.4, which will get me 756 grams, yeah? We cool? Now, next thing. What's 756 grams in kilograms? Nope. 0.756 kilograms. Or, what's 113.4 kilograms in grams? Multiply by 1,000 and you get 113,400 grams. Does that make sense? Now, how many small blocks does it take to make that much weight? Divided by 756. And what you get? You get 150 there, yeah? Well, anybody else get 150 blocks before me? Alright. Let's keep